In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for niche comparison videos, fast and easy. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or simply someone curious about trending topics, Google Trends is a fantastic tool to explore. Let's get started with a simple, yet comprehensive walkthrough to get you up and running effectively. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Trends, and you'll see it pop up as the first search result. Go ahead and click on the link. This will take you to the main Google Trends homepage, where you can begin your exploration. Once you're on the Google Trends page, you'll notice a button labeled Explore. Click on that to enter the exploration mode, which is where the real magic happens. Now, you need to have some niches in mind that you want to compare. Think of niches that your audience will find engaging. For example, if you're focused on technology, you might compare the iPhone to Samsung. In fitness, it could be yoga versus Pilates. For travel, maybe a beach vacation versus a city vacation, or even food comparisons, such as keto versus paleo diets. Type the first niche you're interested in into the search bar on the Google Trends page and hit enter. This enters the term into the tool, allowing you to start analyzing trends related to it. Next, you'll want to set your filters to refine the results to match your specific needs. For location, you can select your city, state, or region to focus on local trends. Choose a time range that suits the depth of your analysis, the last 12 months to understand ongoing trends, or the last 30 to 90 days to catch up on the rising trends. For categories, select one that aligns best, like health or medical health, which helps filter out irrelevant data. Typically, web search is the search type you'll use, but you might also explore news search for more specific insights into trending topics. One of the most useful features of Google Trends is the Compare option. By clicking this, you can add 1 to 3 additional niches. This comparison feature is invaluable for visualizing relative search interest over time. For instance, you can see how iPhone, Samsung, and Google Pixel stack against each other in terms of search interest. Analyzing the interest over time is crucial. Look for consistent search volume, which indicates great potential for evergreen content, or identify rising trends perfect for timely comparisons. Whether you're planning short-term content strategies with a 12-month view, or seeking long-term insights with a 5-year overview, these graphs can guide your decisions. Finally, scroll down to check related queries and topics. The Related Topics section offers sub-niche ideas, while Related Queries highlights what people are actively searching for. Keep an eye out for rising or breakout queries, as they can inspire compelling video titles. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to efficiently using Google Trends for niche comparison videos. Happy exploring, and I can't wait to see what insights you uncover.